Mine probably.
Yeah, probably. Yeah.
I don't know what the number was.
You're the one with the cream, right?
Yeah.
Gotcha. Oh, did you take 284? Huh? I think they're working on it right now.
She said that you're like, yeah, like, she's moving to behind it's like,
They have the water there. Iced tea, that's their
Alrighty, y'all. We are in business, guys. And I thought the guy said 69, but I got a fish au filet sandwich only, and then the super spicy deluxe meal with an iced tea for a little extra. $16.92, guys. Look at that. Yeah, I definitely would have paid like 30 in Cook County. Eat in tax. No, there's only a total. Oh, thank you.
have a great day.
Thank you. I don't know if the food's here. There's a tax of $1.15. Anyways, might as well. Most importantly, charge your phone. It's pretty good loss. Let's grab some iced tea, and then we'll figure out this scenario. This dang charger. Well, see, after inspecting the wire, huh? Yeah, the wire seems to be okay. Okay, let's go get us some iced tea.
Monday's supposed to be in the 50s too.
Yeah.
But it's after Monday.
How do these kids make money nowadays? By this time every year, I used to make $300 shoveling snow. They're just the neighbors, you know. They get nothing now.
In the snow weather, I delivered newspapers.
Yeah. All right, folks. Okay, food first. All right. Filet of fish. You buddy.